Welcome to Toro NSN's Training in 10, an innovative, self-paced training module that allows you to get trained and get going. Today's topic is utilizing the Prism Desktop. While this presentation is focused on SitePro 2.0 versions and higher, the principles apply to all versions of SitePro. With Prism, you can make many changes to your irrigation system while in the field, like altering the station percentage to either increase or decrease run times, to either remove holds from stations or place stations on hold for a user-defined amount of time, or to modify the SitePro station database information. We need to move the information from the Prism to your SitePro database. So we need to open the Prism Desktop icon by double-clicking. This is the Prism Desktop. There are three very important icons we need to cover on this screen. The first icon allows you to get the SitePro information from the Prism. The icon next to it allows you to update the SitePro database on your computer with selected changes from Prism. The final icon erases all changes within Prism without updating your computer's SitePro database. Let's get some SitePro data changes from our Prism. Here we have brought in some changes from our Prism to the Prism Desktop. Notice that we have several changes in here, such as station percentage adjustments to alter the run times, as well as holds, both permanent and for a time. And if we scroll down farther, and the modifications to the SitePro database. Here we have modified the amps on certain stations. This also shows how many changes were made in Prism that were then placed in the Prism Desktop. There were a total of 22 changes in Prism to SitePro. If we wanted to make all the changes from the Prism and upload them to SitePro, we would then click on this icon to select all of these items, placing the check in Modify. If we did not want to modify all the changes, then we would click on this icon to unselect all the checks in Modify. If you only wanted to select specific items, you would then place the check in the Modify box as seen here. Once you have selected the items you want to change, then you would click the Update SitePro with Grid Entries Now. This is a great tool to help you better manage your irrigation system from the field. It is recommended to back up the Prism database when you back up your SitePro database at least once a month, but weekly is preferred. This is accomplished by clicking Utilities and back up your Prism DB to Desktop. If need be, you can then restore the information through Restore Prism DB to device. It is recommended to plug the device into the cradle when not in use. This will allow the battery to stay fully charged to be used when necessary. Well, you have just completed another episode of NSN's Training in 10. Today's topic has been utilizing the Prism Desktop for SitePro. We hope this Training in 10 lesson was helpful for you to better understand this helpful tool, and that it helps further enhance your career working with the #1 irrigation central control product available, Toro SitePro. Be sure to keep looking for future installments of NSN's Training in 10, the self-paced training module that allows you to get trained and get going. If you have any questions about this or about future training module releases, or if you would like to participate in one of our acclaimed Toro SitePro regional training classes, please contact us by calling 888-676-8676 option 2. Once again, that's 888-676-8676 option 2. Toro and Toro's National Support Network. Count on it.